there's a lot of questions when you're first starting out building a company, and it really helps to have people around you who've done this before, who can help advise you. There's a lot of ways to do that. And as your company grows, thinking about formation of the board, these are some of the smartest people, financial investors, strategic investors who've done this, seen this. They see things that we don't see, that I don't see. And it's not free because, a board is compensated, but it is very low cost, high level strategic advisory. And if you have the right people around the table with your board, it can make or break a company. And I just wanted to say that because I think it's incredibly important. In terms of how do we get out there, we've identified a problem, and we think that there's a digital angle to improve therapeutic care. And we've trademarked something called software enhanced, SE, where we're trying to create a new class of drugs. So you have a traditional drug, whether it be a CGRP. Well, the future as we see it is you're going to have CGRP SE, just like we used to have XR for extended release. The problem we see is an opportunity for improved efficacy across a lot of traditional drugs. And how do we get that out and amplify that? Well, certainly having people around the table from an investor and board perspective is helpful. I made the decision along with our CEO and board this year to really get out there and tell our story. And so while I was a bit facetious at the beginning, talking about 15 sell-side conferences and 15 panels, that really is the strategy, is to get out and talk to as many people as possible, and network, and really talk about what you're doing, and get yourself in the conversation. And a lot of the time, it's just an email, or it's a connection, an introduction. That stuff can be invaluable. Getting out at conferences like this, and just meeting with investors, meeting with people in the industry, it's just, I found it incredibly helpful.